of the 0 to 10K 30-day challenge example of what you're going to get. So let's jump straight into it. So here we have the type of content we're going to promote. We're going after the biggest markets: the cars, celebrity market, tech, entertainment, gardening, markets that get mass appeal, massive clicks. We're going to be using AdSense, AdX, and header bidding, but don't worry, we have access to a partner who can provide us with the websites and the content, so you don't have to do nothing, no content, no AdSense approval, nothing. And with that one, there's no cost. It's free to join. The alternative is to build your own one, and I can guide you through it. So if you want to own the website, it's all yours, so you can sell it, so you can use it as you want. Then there's a simple process that doesn't cost that much that we can get you to do to set up your websites within days, basically, and sometimes on the same day. Yes, get approved on the same day and have ads within a few days as well, to a week. So we're going to focus basically on these 30 days on creating high CTR ads that get low CPC to an ads page where you get maximum revenue per user. Then we're going to optimize and scale those campaigns that are profitable. We can also really 10x our income by adding more accounts and more channels. That's why we're going to be doing Facebook and Taboola. So there's 3 components, as I touched on a bit there, of success with both of these channels. It's the same process. You need low CPC campaigns, a high CTR ad, so you get the lower CPC, and a profitable target. And in Taboola's case, you need profitable website IDs like MSN and so on to really create the maximum profit you can and drive as much revenue to your business. So the end result would be low CPC and high EPC ads. So we'll also show you some of the ads and help you through that process to get those ads. And we're going to be going deep diving into my strategy to buy profitable campaigns on Taboola and Facebook at scale, and also to create passive income and profitability. And we're going to be touching the whole process from setting up a campaign to bidding correctly, to the right targeting, to the right CPC setup, to the right metrics, so you understand when to scale, when to pause, when to leave, and the right way to scale, so you can really maintain the ROI and the profit, or hit profitable campaigns at scale, depending on the actual campaign. So again, if your goal is to make money, and lots of it, our aim is to get cheap clicks on Facebook ads at low CPCs and turn them into 100, 200, 300% ROI campaigns, like you can see below. And this will help you scale up your campaign successfully and create a passive, profitable income and money. So we're going to focus, as I said, on these principles: Facebook ad, a Taboola ad, to a high converting landing page, which is provided for you, or you can build one yourself and get that low cost traffic and repeat again and again to create those profits, and just basically do that every day, with the exception of Taboola, because once you've got it passive, you can just leave it, and you want to scale by adding more accounts if you want to add more passive income. So, as an example of what it looks like in terms of the numbers, we're aiming for just say 1p a click, and we'll get back 3p per user, which is 300% ROI. So if you spend 100, you get 300 back. If you spend 50, you get 150 to 200 back, and so on. And it can fluctuate from 100 to 300% ROI on a really good campaign. So the 30-day process, let's go into a bit of detail here over the 4 phases. We're going to start by obviously learning how to copy ads so you can hit winning campaigns. We're going to learn how to launch campaigns effectively and profitably, optimize them to success, and really start scaling them. And we're going to be doing that over the 30 days. And each one you'll become really good at, so you can execute on yourself. So within the first 1 to 2 weeks, it'll just be about targeting profitable targets. So we can hit those campaigns, just relaunching campaigns again and again and again to hit those winners. And then the next few weeks, we're going to optimize and scale them and go through the process of what happens at this budget, what happens at this return on investment, what happens if the campaign does this. And the quicker we can move, the quicker you move, the faster you're going to hit your first profitable campaign. And as I said, the end goal is to get you to 10K in revenue. So let's just say once we get started, this will be day 1, where you'll learn the system. You'll start creating your money website, and you have 2 options. You can build it out yourself, which I can help you, and we can do that on the same day, or you can get access to websites with the funnel already built, which is for free. And again, that's just to get started quickly without no issues. And then we would proceed to start spying on winning ads. So I'm going to do a quick live case study in the Car Hats marketplace, just to give you an example of the scale, the volume, and what's potential with this case study and where you could be at within 30 days. So let's go to the spy tool here. And as you can see, I've searched for car cleaning hacks just to show you the scale of this market. And look, you can see all of these ads that are running. So these are the type of ads we would run with this model. And once you can see it and you can just copy them and we create better ones, you will also be able to see the volume. So it goes to a website like this, and these websites are already done for us. So we can just basically, get it done. And as you can see, it has the AdSense and ad sets and header bidding. So it's basically just AdSense with more ads that help you get more revenue back. So, we have multiple different ads we can model and copy. So that takes a lot of the work out. And what you want to do is look at this. So if we take the website Hacks Detective and we go and we take a look at the volume it gets, which is here, it's basically look at the volume that is sending. So it's 60% traffic from US, and it's getting 82% of its traffic from social, and it's obviously sending a lot of views and traffic to this website. So it's getting 300,000 visitors a month, and that's just one example. So if we go back to another campaign, like the 1 minute hacks URL, this one's getting 263,000 as well. So you get the idea. So that's just the power of one website. So if we go back now to the spy tool, now let's look at the amount of ads one of these websites are running. So if we go to more hacks, you'll see the fan page there. We're going to go to see summary details, and we can see the different type of ads they were running. Let's go and find an active ad. So these are the ones that worked successfully. So we click on see ad details, and you can see, we click on view ads, and we can see all the ads from one advertiser, and obviously you just want to make sure they're active. So 65 ads are driving